The easiest way to make popsicles is with a mold. Pour enough juice, pudding, yogurt, or any other popsicle mix you like into the mold to fill it about 3/4 full. Most molds come with their own popsicle sticks with plastic shields that will also cover the opening at the top of the mold. Put the pops in the freezer for a few hours or overnight until they're frozen solid. Then grab one of the sticks and use it to pull the popsicle free of the mold when you're ready to eat it. If you don't have popsicle molds, don't worry. You can do the same thing with a cup or glass. Plastic or paper cups are the easiest to work with. Cover the top of the cup with foil and push a popsicle stick, skewer, or chopstick through the foil and place your popsicle in the freezer for several hours. Another quick and easy alternative is to push a popsicle stick through the top of a cup of yogurt, pudding, or Jell-O and freeze it.